In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. If you want to get rid of your search bar, all you need to do is hold it. Then tap on Remove Widget in this pop-up that will appear, and confirm your choice in a second one. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar is gone. Just in case, if you want to restore it, you can pinch your device's display, hit Widgets available here between icons and layout, scroll to find Google app, and when you find it, hold search bar below it and drag it wherever you want to. Let go, hit home button, and as you can see now, it's successfully restored. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!